Hello everyone, it's Nanda. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys the Christmas decor that I made. They turn out super cute. So I'm going to start with those right here. So to make this Christmas decor, I use embroidered hoop. So I rolled the jute twine all around the embroidered hoop. So I glue the embroidered hoop on a piece of wood. And then after that, I glue pieces of styrofoam around the hoop and on top of the embroidered hoop. And then after that, I glue these pieces of stems in here, pine stems. And then this over here is this type of garlands from Dollar Tree. And then I add the red berries and the gold berries. So they are super cute. And then these pieces of greenery branches in here. Same thing for this one. So for the big one, I added this one. So I cut right here, like I cut in here, and then I poke through the styrofoam because I added styrofoam all around and on the top of the embroidered hoop as well. So I glue all these pieces of stems around over here, and then I glue these types of stems on the top in here. So they are a little bit smaller than these ones in here. And then I added the berries and a little bit of those greenery in here. So the wood I paint all in white, so it's open on the bottom. So what do you guys thinking about this Christmas decor? I love it. Let me know what you guys think. So here I have this beautiful Christmas decor, and you can use this as a winter decor as well. So it turned out beautiful, and this is a piece of wood I paint in white, and then I decided to braid the jute twine and glue all around this piece of wood. Inside I added pieces of styrofoam, and then I glue all these pine stems in here, and then these little ones in here as well, and the berries. So the white things that you see in here is puffy paint, so I added all around, and then I apply white paint on top of the stems. So it turned out beautiful. I really love this one too. So then I decided to make two small of the pine cones topiary as well, and this turned out super cute. So this is a tomato sauce can. So I glue in here chipboard on the bottom of the can, and then I glue braided jute twine all around, and then I have inside styrofoam, and in here on the top is puffy paint. So as you can see, they turn out super cute. So I made this Christmas tree as well. So I grabbed two of the pine stems that I got from Hobby Lobby. Then I put them together. I rolled the flower tape around, and then I glue in here inside of this wood box. And then I add in here the styrofoam inside and the green moss. It's a super cute tree that I can decorate later. I have here these two cute decors as well. So I use a can of tomato sauce, and I did the same thing. Chipboard on the bottom, inside styrofoam, and green moss on the top. These stems I bought at Hobby Lobby. They are so cute. This decor you can use it for winter as well. So I put together in here three of them, and then I rolled with the flower tape. So same thing with this one right here. It's super cute. I love it. So here I have 4 Christmas wall decor that I paint all with red acrylic paint. So I bought this at Hobby Lobby, and then on the front I glue a piece of cardstock, and then I decided to glue diamond wrap as well, and then those images are rubbed on transfers. And then here I have peace and love, and this one over here I have Merry Christmas with the 2 snowmen and the gift boxes. And for those two in here, I just added the house with the snowman. And this one over here is just the house. It turned out super cute. And this is the video for today. I hope you guys like these ideas. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!